Hi, in this video I'll be explaining about two operations in Autodesk Inventor. One of them is chamfering, another is fillet. Um the component that we'll be drawing looks this way. We'll be doing a little bit of sketching and extrusion as a part of practice. So let's get started. Let's go to New, select Standard IPT, Create. So let's do the 2D sketching. Take the XZ plane. So we'll be doing the sketching right away. The part looks this way, so we'll be designing the part using the sketching command. So let's take a line, try to any cross section, and then draw the line again. Take it to an angle, draw the line again, and finish the line. Now we'll be dimensioning this. So if we go to the part 2, this is the profile that we have drawn here. So let's dimension this. So this is 0.17 inches and this here is 0.8 inches. The angle between these two is 90 degrees. The length of this line is 0.85. Height of this is 30 and the distance from this point to this point is 0.56 inches. Right, so we are ready with the profile, so we'll be extruding it. Extrude command. We'll be extruding this to 0.4 inches. There we go. This is the profile that we're looking, and this is it. So let's rotate this a little. So now we have a hole in the center, we have a fillet here, we have a fillet here, we have chamfer here, we have chamfer here, we have chamfer here. Before we go there, we need to create this groove here and a circle here. Let's do that. So for creating that groove, we need to select this face. Now let's select this rectangle. Okay. So we'll be dimensioning this again. The length of this is the length of our extrusion, which is 0.4 inches. So the groove is for 0.16 inches and it's symmetric. So the distance from this point to this point will be 0.2, 0.12, and the distance from this point to this point will be 0.16. So this is symmetric now, 0.12, 0.16 and 0.12. So the groove is of length 0.2. So let's do the dimension. Now let's do the 3D extrusion cut. select the edge extrusion. We'll be doing a cut command that will be through all. So let's select all. Let's do the cut and click OK. So there we have the groove, and we have a circle that is to be drawn here. So let's select this face. So before we draw a circle, we need to know the center point from where we are supposed to draw the circle. For that, we'll be constructing some construction lines. So let's do that. Select this and draw a straight line. Select another straight line from this point to this point. Let's dimension this. So the length of this is 40. So from here to here, the dimension will be 20. Yeah, that's perfect. And the circle is at 0.28 from here and 0.28 from here. So let's dimension this. There you go. So how to make these lines as construction lines? So for that, we need to select this line and then click on this. Select this line and click on this. Then finish. You see, the dotted lines are your construction lines. Now let's do the hole. For doing the hole, we need to select the circle. Select the center of these construction lines and do the hole for 0.28 inches. It's 0.14. And then click enter. So there you have the hole. Now when you finish the sketch, let's do the extrusion again. So to do the extrusion, go to the extrude, select the hole, change the symmetry, select all, and click cut, click OK. Let's rotate this. See, we have a hole. So now we have finished drawing the part. So let's do the important part here, is doing the chamfering and the fillet option. So let's take the fillet. Let's select the edge where we want to do the fillet. So this is the edge we want to do the fillet. Let's select the dimension, that is 1/16 inch, and click OK. See, you see, that's what we wanted here. That's it. That's perfect. Now we have one more fillet over here. So let's select that edge. Before you select, just rotate this a little towards you so that it will be visible to you before you do the fillet option. Select the face and then go to the fillet, and then it's already dimensioned here. Select the edge and click OK. So there you have the fillet. You see, so this is the fillet. Okay, now let's do the chamfering. The difference between fillet and chamfer is chamfer makes an angular cut and fillet rounds the cut. It's a circular cut. If you see, this is the profile of a fillet and this is the profile of chamfer. You see the angular cut here, whereas fillet it's round. Okay, so now let's do the chamfering. Let's select the chamfer feature first. So it's important to select the edges that you want to chamfer. So we want this edge to be chamfered, 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 and this edge to be chamfered. So let's do that. Select the edges. This edge is to be chamfered. The dimension we will be giving here is 1/25 inches. This one, this one, this one. Okay, now click OK. See, you have chamfer done. So the difference, you can find the difference here. This one is rounded and this one is angular. Now let's do the last two chamfering commands that we have. One is on this edge. So let's select this edge, select the chamfer, and this one is 1/50. So this reduces the chamfer a little. See this? Let's rotate this. See the chamfering there? This is what we're looking at. Now let's select other face and do the chamfering there too. So click on the face. You have two options to do the chamfering. One, you can click here and select chamfering here, or you can go to the chamfering here and select the edge. Either way it's safe. The dimension you have recorded once is already recorded here, so you don't need to type in again. Just click OK. There you go. This is the component that we are looking. This looks exactly similar to the drawing in here with the same dimensions. So that's chamfering and fillet commands in Autodesk Inventor. So I hope this is helpful to you. Let's work on few examples in the class of these commands. Thank you.